Arithmetic sequences are lists where you add the same number every step. The SAT tests whether you can use the common difference D without mixing up positions. If you memorize one formula and one off by one rule, most sequence items become routine. The common difference D is what you add to go from one term to the next. It is constant for the whole sequence. The nth term formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. The n minus 1 counts steps, not terms. You will see 3 levels. Compute a specific term, solve for the index n, and recover the sequence from 2 distant terms. Example 1, easy. In the sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, find the 10th term. The common difference is 4. The first term, a sub 1, is 3. Use a sub 10 equals a sub 1 plus 9d because there are 9 steps from term 1 to term 10. That is 3 plus 36, which equals 39. Always ask how many jumps you need, not only which term number you want. From a sub 1 to a sub 10, there are 9 jumps, not 10. Example 2, medium. The arithmetic sequence starts 5, 8, 11, which term equals 47. Here d equals 3 and a sub, 1 equals 5. Set a sub and equal to 47 and substitute the formula. 5 plus the quantity n minus 1 times 3 equals 47. Subtract 5, n minus 1 times 3 equals 42. Divide by 3, and n minus 1 equals 14, so n equals 15. When n is unknown, the nth term formula becomes a small linear equation in en. Isolate n minus 1 first, then read n. Example 3, harder. In an arithmetic sequence, a sub 3 equals 10 and a sub 7 equals 22. Find a sub 20. From term 3 to term 7 is 4 steps, so 4d equals 22 minus 10, which is 12. Therefore, d equals 3. Now find a sub 1 using a sub 3 equals a sub 1 plus 2d. So 10 equals a sub 1 plus 6, which means a sub 1 equals 4. Finally, a sub 20 equals a sub 1 plus 19d, which is 4 plus 57, so 61. Notice the shortcut. The difference between 2 terms equals d times the gap in their positions. Before we talk pitfalls, notice the pattern. Find d from any 2 terms, then use the nth term formula with a reliable s sub 1. Common mistake. Using n instead of n minus 1 in the formula, the coefficient on d counts jumps, not the label n by itself. The correct template always includes n minus 1 in parentheses before you multiply by d. SAT pro tip: if you know 2 terms, you can find d by dividing their difference by the difference in their indices. That shortcut is faster than guessing a sub 1 first, when the problem only gives you terms far from the start. Recap. Find d, then use the nth term formula with n minus 1 in the right place. Treat n minus 1 as the number of jumps from the first term to the nth term. And use the 2-term shortcut for d when indices are given. Practice more on NovaMaths.